The sales page of your course. Go to Courses, open up a course. If you're already in there, go across the pages. So the first page we're going to look at is the top of the funnel, and this is the sales page coming in to your course. This is the most important page because it attracts your potential buyers to buy your course or membership. The sales page is at the top of what looks like a funnel inside of the courses pages. You can see the amount of visitors or unique visitors that have visited your site and the total views. Unique visitors are new people that have visited your site, and total views are a combination of new and existing visitors to your site. You can also see the conversion rate at which your courses have been sold. So whether people have clicked the buy button to go through to the next page, which is the checkout page. You can edit your pages by clicking the little edit button here, and you can copy the URL to send out to social media to get people to buy your course or membership. You can also preview the page here. Check out the support doc on designing pages inside of courses.